Now we are doing exercise 1.3. Chapter number 1, that is real numbers, right? We are on the question number 5. Yes, we have done question number 4. We have done till question number 4. Now we are on the question number 5. I am reading the question. Listen carefully. What can the maximum number of digits? What can the maximum number of digits be in the repeating block? Be in the repeating block of the digits in the decimal expansion of 1 by 17. Perform the division to check your answer. Perform the division to check your answer. Okay, we have to do what? We have to do division. Okay, we have to tell how many digits will be there in the repeating block of what? 1 by 17. Okay, this is the most important question we are learning. Okay, so listen carefully. What we have to do? We have to do division for the number 1 by 17. Okay, from the very question number 1 we know how to do the division. Let us do the division now. For doing division, first of all let us write the table for 17. 17 ones are 17. 17 twos are 34. 17 threes are 51. 17 fours are 68. 17 fives are 85. 17 sixes are 102. 17 sevens are 119. 17 eights are 136. 17 nines are 153. 17 tens are 117. Okay, clear? Now let us do the division. Also in the examination, first of all write the table so that it will be easy for you. Okay, to do the division. Okay, to avoid the mistakes, first of all write the table. Write down the table on the margin, in the margin portion. Okay, now let us do the division. Okay, 1 by 17. As you know this thing, that the denominator always lies outside. Denominator always lies outside and numerator inside. And 1 can be written as 1.0000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000So I just added according to the space. Okay, now in that table of 17 one doesn't come. Okay, if I take a 0 after the decimal it will be 10. It will be 10, right? But in the table of 17 10 also doesn't come. Okay, if I take 3 digits, after the decimal, sorry 2 digits, if I take 2 digits after the decimal, that is 2 zeros after the decimal, then it will be 100. And in the table of 17 100 doesn't come, but the number just lower than 100 can be there. It will be what? 17 fives are 85. Okay, 17 fives are 85. But listen to me, I have used 2 zeros. Yes, I have used 2 zeros. I have used 2 zeros after the decimal. So what will I have to do? I have to write a point for single zero. I will have to write 0 for what? I will have to write 0 for what? For what? For the second 0. Okay, now 17 fives are 85. Okay, what will be the remainder? 100 minus 85 gives you what? Gives you 15. Take 0 from the above. Okay, take it down. Then 17 8 ja 136. 17 8 ja 136. Okay. Now what will be the remainder? The remainder will be 14. Remainder will be 14. Take one more 0 from the dividend. Okay. Now again 17 8 ja 136. Okay. What will be the remainder now? The remainder will be 4. Take one more 0. Okay. It will be 40. 17 2s are 34. What will be the remainder? Remainder will be 6. Okay. Take one more 0. It will be 60. 17 3s are 51. What will be the remainder? Remainder will be 9. Okay. Take one more 0. Okay. Now 17 5s are 85. 17 5s are 85. What will be the remainder? Remainder will be 5. Take one more 0. It will be what? It will be 50. 17 twos are 34. 17 twos are 34. The remainder is what? The remainder is 16. The remainder is 16. Okay, take one more zero. It will be 160. It will be 160. Okay, 17 nines are what? 17 nines are is 153. It will be, remainder will be what? 7. Remainder will be 7. Take one more zero. It will be what? 70. It will be 70. Take one more zero. Okay, we have taken already zero. 17 4 ja 68. Okay, what is the remainder? 2. Take 0 from the above, from the dividend. Okay, it will be what? 20. 17 ones are 17. 17 ones are 17. The remainder is what? 3. Take 1 0 from there. It will be 30. 17 ones are again 17. What will be the remainder? Remainder will be 13. Okay, take one more zero from the dividend. It will be 130. 17 sevens are 119. 17 sevens are 119. The remainder is what? Remainder will be 11. Yes, the remainder will be 11. Take 1 0 from there. Okay, now 17 6 are 102. 17 6 are 102. Okay, what will be the remainder? Remainder will be 8. Yes, the remainder will be 8. Okay, take 1 0 from there. Okay, 17 4 ja 17 4 ja 68. Okay, what will be the remainder? Remainder will be 12. Okay, now take one more zero from there. 17 sevens are what? 119. Okay, the remainder is 1. The remainder is 1. Here the dividend and the remainder coincide. Therefore, we can say that the decimal expansion of 1 by 17 is what? Is non-terminating, but what? Repeating. After this, the same procedure will repeat itself. How many times will it repeat itself? Infinite number of times. How many times? Infinite number of times. So 1 by 17 equals to what? 1 by 17 equals to 0.0588235294117647 with bar on all these digits. Now what question says that after how many digits? After how many digits the repetition takes place? That is, what is the number of digits? What are the number of digits in the repeating block? Let us count. 3, 3 6, 3 9, 3 12, 12 or 3 15, 15 or 1 16. That is, there will be 16 number of digits. 16 number of digits in the repeating block. Okay, hope you have understood the question. Listen to me carefully again. You were to divide 1 by 17. Keep denominator outside. Here is the 1. 1 can be written as 1.000. You can write as many zeros as you require. Okay, it doesn't make any difference to 1. 1 is still 1. If you add infinite number of zeros after point. Okay, first of all, in these types of questions, first of all write down the table. Okay, so that your question will be error free. Okay, to remove the errors, to remove the mistakes, to not inviting the errors or mistakes in your question, write down the table so that it will be easy for you to write to do division. Okay, hope so you have understood the question. Thank you.